welcome again to my channel. My name is Queen Erica. For those who are new to this channel, karibuni sana. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I want to make for you 3 ingredients. That is chutney, pepper, that is pilipili, and also I want to make ukwaju. Ukwaju in Kizungu is tamarind sauce. This is the reason why I'm making this is because the last time I'd made bhajias and I had assembled these 3 types of sauces, and I mentioned that I'm going to show you how to make the 3 sauces. And also I want to appreciate everybody that has subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. We are getting started, like I always say. We have so much content lined up for you. We're going to be talking about lifestyle, we're going to be talking about fashion, parenthood, all the fun things about life. So stay tuned, don't miss out. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon down there below so that you can get notified every time I post new videos and be the first one to watch my videos. Thank you so much for your subscription. Now let's go straight into our ingredients so that I can show you how we're going to make these 3 things. Also, one thing I need to mention to you, all my ingredients, my recipes are always down below on the description box. So every time you watch my video and you're wondering, oops, what did she say? I forgot there's something she said, there's something she mentioned. Check on the description box below. The recipe is there and the procedure is there to guide you. Let's go straight to making our tamarind sauce, which is ukwaju, our chutney, and our pilipili. These are the ingredients that we're going to be using to make all the 3 types of sauces, that is tamarind sauce, pilipili, and chutney. This is coconut. I'd already grated it using mbuzi. In course we call it mbuzi. I don't know in English how we call it. So this is the coconut that I've grated, and then this is mango, 1 mango. This is the tamarind, ukwaju. The pieces of ukwaju are here. Green chilies, garlic, ginger, some onions, some lime, some carrots. We will need honey and salt. Adding your ginger, and just put kidogo too. Garlic, put 3 cloves. Add in your chilies, your green chilies. If you're not a lover of chilies, it's not a must. So you can just do without the chili. Then we want to put some little water for blending. Now you switch on your blender. Now I'm pouring the chutney in a bowl. It's supposed to be thick like this. So this is our chutney. It's supposed to be thick like that. So now let's go and make our tamarind sauce. So the second one is our tamarind sauce. I've soaked these tamarind seeds in water for like 30 minutes. So this one, there's no any other trick. Hapa ni mambo uswahilini tafadhali. Hapo watumia tu mikono zako. Wakoroga, you squeeze it so that you can get that flavor from the seasoning.
Thick.
The thickness. You can get that thickness from these seeds. So this is how you do it. So you have done squeezing all the seeds from the tamarind. These are the seeds. These ones are we no longer need them. So this one I'll just throw them, and then you want to sieve your thick sauce. It's very thick, so you sieve it like that, so that in case there's any particles, you get rid of them. So this is how it's supposed to be when you're squeezing, when you're sieving it. Now we want to prepare the chili. We blend it kidogo tu, like I said, kama wewe si mtu wa pilipili, si lazima, sio lazima sana. Kuna watu wanapenda vitu chungu, kuna watu hawapendi. Kwa hivyo si lazima. 3 cloves of garlic. You add a little water for it to blend. So we want to mix the pilipili inside our ukwaju like that, and then our grated carrots we mix inside, and then we mix with our onions. The good thing about this is you can ration all the ingredients that you're using. Just ration them depending on the people you're making for. If people don't like chili, don't put. So if you feel like your tamarind sauce is too bitter, you can always put a tablespoon of honey. So that's our tamarind sauce. That's how it's supposed to look like. So let's put it aside, and then we go and make the pilipili. Finally, we are going to be making our pilipili. So the last of the remaining pilipili, we are going to use all of it. We are going to use the last of the remaining ginger and garlic. Cloves, these are 4. And all the ginger, and you're going to put some red onions. So put some water. So we pour our pilipili inside a bowl. Then you squeeze lemon inside. And use half a lemon. So you want to put like a little bit of salt, like a teaspoon of salt. And this is our pilipili. So you can see we have our chutney, we have our tamarind sauce, and we have our pilipili. So this is our chutney, the one we blended before, and this is our pilipili, and this is our tamarind sauce. Kwa Kiswahili twaita ukwaju. All these sauces are very flavorable. You can eat with bhajia, you can eat with chips, you can eat with viazi karai, you can eat with nyama choma and mshakiki. They are very delicious and very flavorful. They have that sweet bitter taste in them, and they're very easy to make. You can make them at home. So come closer, let me show you how they are. This is a close look at our chutney. That's how it is. Our pilipili and our tamarind sauce. So guys, please make these sauces and the comfort of your home. Very easy sauces to make, very simple sauces to make. You will enjoy it. Eat with your nyama choma, eat with your viazi karai, eat with your bhajia. You will really enjoy these sauces. They are very easy to make, and they are readily available in the market. They are not expensive. If you make them, you will not regret, and you will love doing that. You can eat with your chips as well. Those who love chips, you can eat these ones as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for being with me till the end. Please don't leave without clicking the subscribe button and also clicking the like button. And if you have any comment you want to share with me, don't be afraid, just share. Just write down below, share your comments. I appreciate the good, the bad comments. I appreciate all of them. They make me grow. And also remember the description of the recipe, the ingredients on the description box below, so that you can read and write and follow, and also come back and share with me how it was. Thank you so much for subscribing. Until next time, bye.